Is made in China just another word for copycat? Let's look at the controversial Huawei and see what we can find out. First, let's look at Huawei's latest business results. Huawei's net profit in 2019 was 62.7 billion yuan. Its R&D expenses last year amounted to 131.7 billion yuan, accounting for 15.3% of its revenue. Did Huawei become a world-leading high-tech company through theft? As of 2019, Huawei has invested more than $80 billion into R&D over the past decade. Regarding the heated topic of 5G, Huawei has invested more than $4 billion since 2009, which is higher than the combined 5G investment by major equipment vendors in Europe and the US. Huawei has contributed to over 25% of all accepted 5G standards proposals and submitted 23,600 proposals to 3GPP in total. Printed on A4 paper, that would be a 10-meter stack of proposals. In addition to proposals, by the end of 2019, Huawei had more than 85,000 active patents. 90% of Huawei's patents are patents for inventions. The big news in 2019 was that Huawei announced its intention to license its 5G technology to a U.S. company in accordance with the FRAND principle. Over the past 30 years, Huawei has paid over $6 billion in patent fees to legally use other companies' patents. 80% of this money went to U.S. companies. This doesn't seem to be the behavior of a thief. So, if not by theft, how did Huawei get where it is today? Let's look at the talent structure at Huawei. Huawei has over 190,000 employees globally, roughly the population of Geneva. 49% of them are R&D personnel, including more than 700 mathematicians, 800 physicists, and 120 chemists. So it is these scientists whose work turn investment into innovation. Dear friends, here is our conclusion. No company can take the lead by stealing. If issues about intellectual property become tools used in competition between countries and private companies, tools used to create fear and undermine trust, that lack of trust will curb the social progress that technology could otherwise bring.